KEOC News, your eyes on the city with me, Jessica Adams. Next up, it's a big day for justice. Convicted cop killer and international smuggling kingpin, Charles Jericho, faces sentencing later today. An as-yet unnamed police officer was instrumental in Jericho's arrest and in obtaining evidence of the 17 counts of murder, smuggling, and drug trafficking the mob boss faces.
Today is a good day. Today the feds are giving me a parade across town.
So, we straight?
On everything except the price.
We agreed on 20.
You mumble a little bit, Rufus.
25.
I'll let you know what the touch of a woman feels like. I'm asking 30. You got 30 more years in here. I'm asking 30 million. It's not a hard choice.
Fine.
All right, Mr. Unnamed Officer, you're all over the news. Congratulations. So let's hang it up for today, huh? Come on, John, what do you say, man?
Jericho put a bullet in my back, and a lot of good men in the ground. I need to see this through.
You're gonna have to let this go, man. You heard it yourself. Jericho's going down today. You did that. Be proud of that. So where are we headed?
The overpass on 13th.
As good a spot as any. All right, I've indulged you.
You know something, partner? Maybe you're right.
We now go live to the KEOC Eye on the City chopper. As the convoy leaves town, police have cordoned off the route between the prison and the courthouse. Live travel updates every 5 minutes on SF News. Just keep us right where we are.
Let's get that beer.
Ha ha! First round's on me. God damn it! Whoa!
Son of a bitch!
40 out of 30 on the move to assist officers under fire from a goddamn news chopper.
Wagon 3-0, come in. We need to get the hell out of here now. Let's go, let's go!
I don't believe this!
40 Adams 30 heading east on Fremont in pursuit of Jericho, requesting backup now!
I should've listened to you. Damn, I was an asshole.
We can argue about who is the bigger asshole after we catch that bastard.
Hey, you went down that alley.
I see it.
Where'd he go? Whoa, he's behind us! Come on, man, drive, drive!
Season VF! Where's that defib, Ray?
Come on, John. Come back to us, buddy.
Charging to 250.
John, don't you do this to me.
Clear!
Tanner. Tanner. Tanner! Damn. Man, I got no idea how we lived through that.
Saw where he went.
What? Hey, come on, man. We gotta get you to a hospital.
Jericho's got a head start.
You all right, man?
Yeah, fine. Let's go.
damn it!
He's gone, man. How the hell did he do that?
We gotta... Whoa.
Hey, you alright?
Steady! That guy's in pretty bad shape back there.